Presented. Supers. Oh my gosh, my own popcorn cereal is finished. Guys, it's time for dinner. Oh yeah, it's time for breakfast. Oh yeah, it's dinner time, breakfast time. Are you sure your big brother can help it? Don't worry, I got it. Okay, Red, here's comes for you. What does it taste like? Oh my gosh, what is this? Here you go, Chuck, it's for you. Are you sure about this? Yes, of course. Oh, I don't want to take it anymore. It's too disgusting. What's on the side? Yeah, finally. Whoa! What the heck? It's so going on here. What are you blues? Jay, you take it. No, you take it, Jake. No, you don't. No. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Check this out. That will go away the cauldron. Finally, rocks out. What the? My brother said I could do it. Are you ready? Oh, you finished. Oh, don't worry. I can make you a new one. But the truth is, we don't like it. We give up. What? Yeah, it doesn't taste like popcorn cereal. Why? Because it tastes like booger nose. Wow! Ah! What the heck is wrong with Mom? But for your life, guys. Oh my God! No one likes red cereal. Popcorn. Yeah, finally the egg. What the? Oh my gosh! Huh? Pigs? Oh my gosh, it tastes so good! What? They like it? Oh, it tastes like popcorn ice cream! Oh, it's popcorn cereal.